our workout bar for you guys.
That is so cute.
Hey, start recording right here.
Yeah,
Say hi, Priscilla. Ay, qué feo.
Hola.
Got it going, Patrick? Hi, Brianna.
Hi.
Can I stop now?
Porque no tenemos.
Hey. 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 Right now, we're waiting for like the lollipop. Yeah. Take out the gum. Take out the gum. I wonder where Priscilla's at. Hey, hey, don't hide from the camera. Say hi.
I already said hi like twice.
It's okay. It's okay. It's our video. We can do whatever we want.
Randy, big part.
Que bailen, que bailen, que bailen, que bailen.
Alright, are you guys ready? Gonna help?
Yeah.
Let's see you little squirrels, ready? Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Slowly, slowly.
Jen, you just got slingshot. Let's see your biggest jump. We're gonna do Phoenix first. Ready? Yeah, boom! Alright. I don't know how many pigs he smashed with that one. Let's try someone else. Ready? Slingshot. And sling! Boom! Couple pigs. And sling! Boom! And wait. Sling! That was it. I love that one. All right, what do we got? And all right, let's put it back. Boom! Sling! Sling! No flip. Stop doing the flip. Sling! All right, guys, hold on. Let's drop on this. Go! There we go. All right.
If they're positive, that doesn't matter.
You guys try?
See, we make our own net. Because these ones don't really get me. They're like a size too big.
Three.
Okay, so after the slide, I'm gonna land.
Need some help? The flat side.
This rests on the yellow.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then you pull it all the way back as far as it could go.
All the way back to your ear.
And then aim at something.
And then aim it. Yeah, I'm gonna come over here like in front of the target.
Woo!
And pull all the way back. Far, 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 far.
More, pull more.
Far, far, far. Okay. Awesome.
Hey, get closer, get closer. Get closer. Don't, turn.
Wait, I want to get more out so we don't get stuck. Turn the other way. Pedal the other way. Pedal the other way.
Dile que podemos.
Okay, we're
Come on.
Okay, you can take it out. But this is going to take you guys forever to get back with all this water in.
Go.
You have to go.
You guys need help?
You guys need help?
If you want to carry it and then twist it around so the water can get out.
Yeah.
Like hold it.
Hey, wait, stop pedaling.
You guys okay? Say hi to the camera. Hi. Say what happened.
See, I don't even have shoes on. This is the grossest stuff I've ever put in. It's gross.
Stop.
Well, okay. If you guys get in, you're going to sink. See how much lower it already is? You can't have this water in here. You know what? Here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to fix this. We're gonna sit. No, well, not on the heel, but...
¿Tienes miedo?
Come on here.
Arlene. I'm Casa. Hi to the camera.
What's up? No, they'll get in here, and then they can get back in here. That's how we're going to do it. How about you film yourself with that spider?
Be quiet.
No, he needs to get out of the way. We're going to put the boats together.
You're the one who's making all this.
Yeah.
Dude, okay, Arlen,
Okay.
calm down.
I'm trying to.
Calm down.
Breathe.
Okay, now Brianna, watch your hands. You have to get from this boat to this boat. Right now. Slowly. Okay, good. Okay. Now you, Missy, come over here and hang out with Brianna. We'll get your water out and it'll be all good.
Do you guys need help or you got?
No, we got.
Okay, we're going to sit here and enjoy.
I'm trying to keep us balanced, but it's hard when it's breaking and there's spiders on the boat.
Oh my god, that's scary.
Much better. Adriana, jump out.
Whenever you want. Now it's good. You got just a little water in there now. Somebody here first. Somebody steady.
Suéltale, bote.
I'm going to ir bien.
Yep, you got it. You hold this side. I'll hold this side. Steady as much as you can. And then flip up and in. He's agile.
No te brincando casos.
Ahí va, pues los brincos de cada sitio.
Oh, be careful with that, eh?
¿Cómo se ríe?
Ay, me pegué.
Stand for your left. Okay, Brianna. You next. Okay, hang on. No, wait.
I'm holding it for
Mami, quiero gasolina. Mami, quiero gasolina.
Oh, you guys, if you could feel how this, I'm not even going to tell you what it feels like. That I'm
That
standing
smells
here.
horrible.
It is horrible. Okay. You need to go. Here. Just nice and easy. No, I got it. Go.
No, don't paddle. Don't paddle.
Stop laughing and get in the boat.
She's not laughing her butt off.
Okay, now, what's the worst that can happen? Senor, you need to go all the way back to the front.
Eso es lo difícil.
Okay, now, how are we going to do this?
Mami, quiero gasolina.
Swim all the way over there.
Jets here? Or jet skis?
No.
My pants. Oh no, it's not showing.
Trying to see if there's somewhere closer.
Pero the other one, because I don't want to hit the canoe.
Step up and in.
The rock over there, but it's too far.
Where's the rock?
It's too far than what we saw right now.
Yeah, it's too far. You're actually peeing?
Pero the other way. Bueno, so we don't
You guys see anything where she could stand?
Which is the way this way?
Mami, quiero gasolina. ¿Qué traes?
Try your best to jump on.
Shut up! It's not that easy.
Yes, it is.
Here, I will help.
No!
This is what we need to do. You guys need to steady this side. You guys help out, and I'll get her.
You two.
No!
No, you guys.
Okay,
This
baby.
way, so we
Don't
can grab
even
by the
worry.
branches.
But
Yeah,
you're gonna
actually,
have
yeah,
to
I like that idea.
I'm trying.
If I grab you in some places,
Hang on.
if I grab you.
Hang on.
Hey,
Lila, see if you can grab a branch. See if you can grab a branch.
you put your foot out.
Grab a branch. Grab it.
Come on.
Good luck.
Yes. Relax. Just sit right there and take a breath.
I'm going in.
He's gonna get out and I'm gonna laugh at him.
Then it's gonna stand around until it clears out. ¿Sí, verdad?
A la güera y a la Fer cuando... Oye, Andy, la güera y la Fer cuando quieren que les dé de comer.
There we go.
Felix says she wants to have hats on. Felix wants you guys to turn on your hats.
What happened?
Boss, I don't know, my baby, like,
Started kicking. Desconcentró.
No fair,
I know.
I heard that.
I said shoot. Shoot. Right? That's what you heard?
I heard it. I said it a couple times too. Esquívatela.
I need
¿Qué más?
Nadie me da love.
Sí, ahora cambia.
Vamos, David, no puedes ganar. No puedes, David.
Levántala.
Tú puedes, David.
Oh, smooth. Smooth.
It's funny.
Shake that bushy tail. Swirling, swirling, shake that bushy tail. Put on up the green twinkle up your nose. Swirling, swirling, shake that bushy tail.
On three, okay? Hollywood birds on three. 1, 2, 3, Hollywood birds!
Ta-da-ta-ta.